Dude, I like this. This is sick. Alright. Are you recording?
Always recording. We're back! Alright, guys. Since everybody liked that arm thing that I did last time, you know, I don't know. So, welcome back. We're here, season 1, guys. It's gonna be another great episode. A lot of good information that we're actually gonna be talking about today. Today we're actually gonna be sanding a floor with safety equipment. And since Hero was nice to point out that I'm actually wearing shoes this time, yes, I'm wearing shoes, no sandals. No sandals or socks.
Or chanclas.
No, they're not chanclas. They're just regular. Yeah, if I wore chanclas, that'd be a little weird. But, today, the floor is a little messed up that we're going to be working on today. So you can kind of see everything here. So I got little areas in the wood that's kind of messed up. When I bought this house over 2.5 years ago, I know the wife was a little off because she said, hey, let's do the floors afterwards, or not afterwards, but before we moved in. Unfortunately, knowing me, I kind of wanted to just move in and do it later, and of course 2.5 years later we're here and now. So we're gonna be like I said, sanding the floors. We're gonna do kind of one floor at a time. We're gonna probably start off in the hallway here and continue back to the other room there. We'll actually have 3 rooms to do, so it'll be pretty interesting. We'll have different angles to work with. I know it's a little echoey. I'll try to fix that. But yeah, we are actually doing good. And actually, Hero, tell them about your phone.
I don't know.
Dang.
I got a new
Hero,
phone, but it's.
He was cheap.
I'm being smart with my money.
He's cheap. He's being smart with the money. Cheese. Because he couldn't use his phone with his old radio. And a couple videos ago, we installed his radio, and of course, his old Note 4 didn't work, so what does he do but go buy a Pixel 2?
It wasn't even compatible with Bluetooth. I thought it would be. That's what forced me to buy a newer phone. Hey, it was brand new looking.
It was brand new looking.
No, I mean,
so
it's
new to him, refurbished Pixel 2. So I'm a little glad he got a new phone, but guys, keep hitting that like button, that subscribe button, so you can maybe get a new phone. Just because that's kind of sad that he got a refurbished Pixel 2. So we did get him like a Pixel 4, guys. Anyway, let's get started on the floors.
All right.
You guys saying it should technically stick with the weight like that. You can try it. I mean, if it scuffs the floor right now, we can.
But I'm just worried that just in case, we should put this a couple wider at the back.
But this one, I don't know if this will. We'll waste the sanding on this one as it moves. Let's see. Let's try to see what they say. So this is right now. This might be a little rough, guys. This is a 36 grit sandpaper. I was gonna try to see how fast it'll take it down, so we'll give it a shot and see what it does. But it might actually do.
Do you want to try a corner or just right in the middle? This floor, this is easy, or you want to go to the hallway?
Go right here. It's pretty rough and pain. So we can.
Let's try it right there.
Yeah. So stand it up.
You want to put the thing? Yeah. Ask.
Alright, and I know like a lot of you guys, a lot of my friends that watched my video last time, without me wearing actual shoes, so this time I'm wearing shoes. I'm a little safer with the actual mask and everything. But we should be good. I'm good. It's on there. Looks like it's pretty flush. Glasses. See if it actually holds.
So you just
A little lever
like
supposed
this.
to come.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
And it click? Does it click?
No, it just
Oh,
gives
it's
it
free.
Yeah. So let's see what it does.
Oh no, it just hopped. That's not good.
Let's try the other side. Because I have a feeling this will do a lot better. So I'll bring it. Alright, so try to lay it back down. I know it's not center right now.
Well, that one's wider, so I think I need to move it like here like this.
That'll bring it this way. Yep, flip it again.
Is it just on?
Okay, go ahead and try to drop it.
Like it's
I
hot.
don't know. Okay, got it.
Like it's hot.
Okay, a little difference on this one. These ones they call them, was it screen disc? So it kind of looks like a screen.
Like a window screen.
I mean, I guess you could flip it back and front to sand. So I bought one of each because I wasn't sure what was gonna work. All right, so go ahead and
Try again. This is working. Yeah, it's kind of hard to control.
nice and slick.
It wants to take off on you when you engage the sender. It wants to go. Pulls. You want to try it?
Yeah.
It's an arm workout.
Alright, so the next part of this video, of course, we did our usual time lapsing just because I didn't think we needed to bore you guys with all the sanding that we were doing. We did use 4 corners of our display here to kind of showcase what we're doing, all the way from the beginning to kind of the finished product of us sweeping and vacuuming everything up at the end in the lower right hand corner. But it was just an amazing recording experience. Anyway, we just got back, had some Burger King, had to buy it before from Burger King. Hero had a Whopper and
20 chicken nuggets.
20 damn near chicken nuggets, so I don't know how he's weighing himself at 145 pounds, but he is, which is amazing.
I have food coma.
Yes.
Time to go to sleep.
Yeah, he wants to go to sleep. He's like, I don't want to do your hallway. So the next part of the project here is to actually sand the hallway here and just make it look a lot better. So now from this point, I think I might run the fan over on this window just to help evacuate some more of the dust, just because it was getting pretty dusty. But overall, it's actually looking pretty good. I'm actually super excited how it's turning out. Are you excited how it's turning out?
Super excited. I mean, look at the, show them the floor.
Like, okay, show you guys the floor again. The floor actually, like I said, turned out really nice, and I think actually when we stain it and some of the darker parts of the wood is actually going to really pop.
You can even compare it.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
The comparison right there is like night and day. It's like black, nasty, and then you come in here, clean. So we're probably gonna go with dark stain, just because the rest of the house is dark wood and stuff like that. I'm not gonna sit there and redo the wood downstairs. So So now, actually, while we're here, Hiro actually wanted me to explain why I'm actually starting to do this. So I know some of my friends that are probably going to be watching this, and you know, the viewers out there that are going to be watching. My wife's pregnant. It's going to be our first child, so we're actually pretty excited to, you know, get that portion of our life started. But the first thing, obviously, is making sure the floor is super clean, nicely looking. Obviously, can't do it with a kid here. Obviously, with all the germs, and not germs, but the all the crap that we're sanding,
dust,
and then the fumes. You know, I couldn't do that, you know, later on. So it's like I said, it's just taking time to do it. You know, obviously, like I said earlier, 2.5 years to get to this point, but we're here, so we continue.
And one of our other episodes is actually to baby-proof this room. I'm not sure if it's going to be this room.
It's not this room.
You guys need to decide.
It's going to probably be the small room, but we'll actually have a whole probably argument on that with my wife and me. So
This room is good.
Well, this room are for us.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Maybe the baby will get the other room, but I want the baby to get the smaller room for now.
You can have the baby in the room with you.
Yeah. But anyway, so all said and done for the floor so far, to get to this point with an actual industrial floor sander, it did take about 3 hours. I know for the time-lapse portion, that's kind of a long time, but it actually was a lot quicker than me trying to do by hand. I actually sanded a step to kind of do a quick test, and that took me almost 2 hours to do with that little sander. So yeah, like I said, this is a big change. All right, so we'll get back to this. We'll actually start the hallway. Actually, we're probably gonna finish up the edge, then go out to the hallway, and I think we have like a good thing going. Also, another thing. I've been Hiro and I've been pushing down on the actual floor sander.
Yeah, we're putting pressure in different spots
to help keep it down. But the first thing that I keep wanting to mention that we couldn't mention during the start of the video is you're gonna notice that there's blades up on the top. So if you're gonna be doing what we're doing, which I don't recommend, you have to make sure you keep your fingers actually outside of the blades on top if you have a similar model. If not, you might actually have something that's different that actually keeps your hands or fingers from getting inside. But it's just one of those things that definitely watch. Again, we're sanding this floor right now with a 36 grit. We kind of had to figure out how to get this sander to actually adhere to the 36 grit because we've never done this before. So it's one of those things that we're learning. So we're gonna so we're getting started. Remember, like, subscribe, or that's what Hiro wanted to. That's what he wanted to say. We actually didn't do our normal broke back. I guess what do we call it? This guy broke back garage. How would we call this? Broke back what?
Broke back room.
Broke back room. So this will be the broke back room. Because Hiro does like the long.
Nah.